Spicy food challenge Volcano with this shirt. That looks hot. Make sure I get it all in here. I don't know how hot this one will be. Oh, that smells hot. I don't know if this is enough to make me hiccup, but we'll see. Yeah, the brand has like more noodles in it. And it's just the pot I'm using because normally I use a bowl. Ugh. Now for this, flakes or whatever you want to call them. Let's tear that off. Flicky flicks. It's the same stuff that they have in the other one. Okay, mix that. Oops, I was supposed to turn off the heat first. Ew. Anyway. Okay, be right back. Hey guys, so today we are doing another spicy challenge, and I have to remember to look into the lens, not the viewfinder. But yeah, we're doing another spicy food challenge. We'll see if I hiccup this time. I don't know. This is Volcano chicken noodle. Yeah, spicy food challenge Volcano with this shirt. Okay, so let's try it. I've never tried this one. I think I boiled noodles too long because I was preoccupied while they were bully, but it's okay. I'm not gonna stop it from being spicy. Just so you know, there are no drinks around me. I'm actually really hungry. I've never had this brand before. There we go. The other one is actually tastes better. Oh my god. It's not even that spicy to me, it's just, but it's making me hiccup. Hot. That was hot. Stop looking at the viewfinder, Luana. It's a really bad habit. I'm gonna have to stop. I've only used this camera for one other like video, so it's pretty new. And I'm not used to looking into the lens because I always use my phone camera, and when you use a phone you have to look into your eyes because then your eyes will be in the center. So yeah, anyways. I don't make much. Keep forgetting to blow it. Sorry if the lighting isn't the best in here. Not much I can do about that right now. I feel like I need a bib. This stuff is splattery. Yeah, this stuff definitely isn't as hard as the other one. It made me hiccup for a bit, and that's what people want to see, right? Stop forgetting to blow it. Oh. Get off my face. Good, I didn't get any on my shirt. Not yet, anyway. It is definitely burning my tongue, but not like, it's not as instantaneous as the other one that I've tried. I just wanted to pick this one because I never had it before. You can tell this one's not as hot because my hiccups went away so fast. And my nose isn't even running like the other one. My nose was running like there was no tomorrow. My nose was running like I inhaled like a freaking hot pepper or something. There we go. Now it's kicking in. I think that that bit of noodles had a little more spice to it or something. Excuse my language if you heard that. I promise I will learn not to look in the viewfinder one day. One day. One day I will. Oh, fuck. It's not even that hot, it's because it's spicy and hot. Like hot from the heat, from it being warm, or like hot, and hot from it being spicy. So I cannot have it hot from like the heat hot. If that makes any sense. Almost done. I guess I'm not getting any more hiccups. Once I start eating it fast, that's when I start getting hiccups. And there's my nose running. Oh. Look, it's my nose like when I put my hand on too. Yeah. No more hiccups. I guess that's it. My body just getting used to it. Maybe. I eat spicy stuff all the time. That was pretty good, but not as good as the other one. I like the other one better. It has better flavor. This one, the packet actually tells you to put your own spices in. Like, not spicy spices, like just spices to make it taste better. My lips are burning, not bleeding, burning. So yeah, I'm gonna I accidentally turned it all off. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I hope you enjoyed it. That was a short one. Like I said, there wasn't that many there wasn't as much noodles in this packet. That's a lot less, but as you can see, I ate it all. And there is no drink around me. I have no drink. Look, no drink. So yeah, it's just me and noodles. Ooh, excuse me, sorry. That was not very ladylike, but I don't really care. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe down below and turn on the bing the bell so that you can know when I post videos like this. And I'll see you guys later. And oh yeah, don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think of my hiccups and stuff. Just comment anything, really. Just talk to me. I'm lonely. Anyway, I'm rambling now. So we are going to say bye-bye.